All right, we have completed all the different strategies used. Again, if those strategies make sense to you, you are welcome to use them as we work through this practice test. If you would rather just stack your numbers and add the other way, you're welcome to do that too, okay? So our chapter 3 practice test, we're going to do this like we take a practice test in class. I will read you the problem. I'm going to ask you to pause the video and work it out, and then I'll go over the answer. Okay, so here we go. Question 1, use any strategy you would like and add 58 plus 16. Go ahead to pause the video and get to work. All right, let's see what you got for an answer. 58 plus 16. You could use any strategy you wanted, and no matter what strategy you use, you should have gotten the same answer as I do. I'm just going to stack my numbers and work it out because I have a feeling that's what most of you have done. All right, 8 plus 6 is 14. Remember to regroup. We have 1 plus 5 plus 1 more makes 7. So you should have gotten an answer of 74. If you didn't get an answer of 74, go back and see where your mistake was and please correct it. All right, problem number 2. Again, use any strategy you would like. Add 49 plus 37. Go ahead and pause your video and work that problem out. All right, let's check and see how you did. 49 plus 37. Again, no matter what strategy you used, you should get the same answer as I do. 9 plus 7, a plus 9 fact, 16. So I know I need to regroup that. 1, 10, 6 ones. Don't forget to add this one up here. 1 plus 4 plus 3 more makes 8. You should have gotten the answer 87. If you didn't get the correct answer, go back and look at your problem. See if you can figure out where you made your mistake. All right, and number 3. Use any strategy you would like to add 33 plus 59. Go ahead and pause your video and work that problem out. Let's check and see how you did. 33 plus 59. Again, you can use any strategy. I'm just stacking them up and adding. And let's see what we get. 3 plus 9, I know would be a 12. Don't forget to add that 1. 1 plus 3 plus 5 more would make an answer of 92. Remember, these problems don't have any labels like a story problem would because they're just adding 2-digit numbers up. Compare your answer to mine. If you didn't get it correct, go back and rework your problem. See if you can find your mistake. All right, number 4. Which have a sum of 50? Choose 3. Go ahead and pause the video. See what 3 have a sum of 50. All right, let's see how you did. This one requires a little more work, so I'm going to have to first find 25 plus 15. Again, you can work this out using any strategy. I'm just going to stack my problems up here. 25 plus 15, doubles fact. We got a 10. 1 plus 2 plus 1 more makes 4. Doesn't have a sum of 50, so I'm not going to choose that one. 25 plus 25. All right. Again, 5 plus 5, we got a doubles fact. All right. 2 plus 2 plus 1 more. We found a 50. So that one is correct. On your practice test, just write out that problem, okay? I know you won't be able to color in the boxes. All right, let's try this one. 35 plus 15. 35 plus 15. All right, really practicing this 5 plus 5 fact equals 10. 1 plus 3 plus 1 does make 5. So I've got another one. All right, again, write that answer out for me. And the last one, 10 plus 40, you probably didn't even need to stack that one up. You know from doing your daily count that that one also equals 50. So for number 4, these should be the 3 equations you have written down that equal the sum of 50. Remember, sum means the answer when we add. Right? Let's take a look at number 5 now. Number 5 is another choose 3. It says, which are equal to 27 plus 55? Go ahead and pause your video, work this out, and we'll be back to check out your answer. All right, let's see how you did. First step is I'm going to have to figure out this answer because I don't know what my sum should be. So I'm going to take 27 plus 55, add them together here. 7 plus 5 is 12. Remember to regroup. 1 plus 2 plus 5 more. So I'm looking for sums of 82. All right, sums of 82. So here we go. I'm going to look at this problem first, and I'm going to go ahead and pair this up in my head because I know 7 plus 5 is 12. So I have 20 plus 50 makes 70, plus a 10, 80, and 2 ones, 82. So that one would work. So that equation should be written down as a possible answer. Well, look, this equation, and once I paired these two up, are the same equation, right? So that one would work. Okay. And again, if you want to check it, write your problem out. 0 plus 0 plus 2 is 2. 2 plus 5 plus 1 makes 8. Okay. All right, so we have 2 equations left to check. 30 plus 52. And again, these are some problems you may be able to do in your head because you know your count by tens. So 0 plus 2 is 2. 3 plus 5 is 8. Well, it says there are only 3 right answers. Let's just check and make sure. 30 plus 55. Well, 0 plus 5 is 5. 3 plus 5 is 8. So that one doesn't work. So these are the 3 equations that you have written down for number 5. Check your answer. Make sure they're correct before we move on to number 6. All right. 6, we have a one-step problem. I'll read it out loud. Kathy has 44 markers. She gets 25 more. How many markers does Kathy have in all? Go ahead and pause your video and work this problem out, and we'll come back and check your answer. All right, let's see what you got. So we need 44 plus 25 more. All right, 4 plus 5 is 9. 4 plus 2 is 6. No regrouping needed. Did you remember to write your label? If you didn't, fill it in now. Kathy has 69 markers. All right, let's work on number 7 now. Number 7, another one-step problem. Here it is. Kevin has 27 baseball cards. He buys 65 cards. How many cards does Kevin have now? Go ahead and pause your video and work this problem out. All right, let's see what you got for an answer. So Kevin had 27. He bought 65 cards. Let's figure out how many cards he has now. 7 plus 5. Ooh, that's the fact this week. That's a 12. A sum's a 12. All right, 1 plus 2 plus 6 more. Have an answer of 92. Did you remember your label? How many cards does Kevin have now? So he has 92 cards. All right, make sure you have the correct answer for number 7. All right, and we have a 2-step problem to finish us off on our math test, our practice test. Here's what it says. Matt has 44 seeds. He was given 10 seeds. Then he buys 8 more seeds. How many seeds does Matt have now? Go ahead and pause the video, work out this problem, and come back to check your answer. All right, let's see how you did. Remember, I see 3 numbers, so that tells me I'm going to need a step 1 and a step 2. Let's start with step 1. He has 44. He was given 10. So 44 plus 10 more that he was given makes an answer of 54. So I took one part and another part, I added them together. Remember, I got to take this answer and I've got to put it over in step 2. So I know Matt has 54 seeds. Now let's see what happens. He buys 8 more. Remember, when we write the 8, an 8 is only 8 ones. There's an imaginary 0 in that spot, or you can write it in if it helps you remember. 4 plus 8 is 12. Ooh, another fact from this week, a sum of 12. 1 plus 5 makes 6 because we have nothing else to add to it. Now, did you remember your label? Seeds. How many seeds? Well, Matt has 62 seeds. All right, this is the end of your practice test. Make sure your answers are written on the back of your page so you can take your picture and send it to your teacher. Tomorrow, you will be doing a real test, and I will not be going over the answers, just reading the problems to you.